Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore the 5 cheapest bobber motorcycles for 2026. Number 5. Honda Rebel 500. In 2026, the Honda Rebel 500 stands out as one of the most affordable bobber-style motorcycles available in the US market. Its styling stays clean and modern, combining a low-slung frame with minimalist bodywork and an easy-to-manage stance that works well for new riders, as well as those looking for a simple, practical city cruiser. The pricing keeps it within reach, with a starting cost just over $6,000, giving riders a genuine option without pushing their budget too far. Beneath the seat, the Rebel 500 is powered by a dependable 471 ccs parallel twin engine that strikes a balance between efficiency and manageable power. Acceleration is smooth and unintimidating, making it ideal for riders who want a forgiving and reliable motor. Maintenance expenses stay relatively low compared to larger or more complicated bikes, helping overall affordability in the long run. For 2026, Honda focused upgrades on comfort and ride quality instead of flashy electronics, which helps keep costs down. Suspension and braking are well suited for city riding and occasional highway use, providing stability and safety without unnecessary expense. Overall, the Honda Rebel 500 shows that owning a stylish bobber doesn't require spending a fortune. For a little over $6,000, riders get a low-maintenance, easy-to-ride motorcycle that looks great and performs well for everyday use. Number 4. Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. In 2026, the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 makes a strong argument for riders looking for an affordable bobber with classic character. Its stripped-back design and low profile deliver an authentic bobber appearance without the premium pricing, making it approachable for both new and experienced riders. With a price around $7,500, it offers an appealing mix of affordability, style, and performance that few competitors can match. Power comes from a 648 ccs parallel twin engine tuned for smooth and steady torque, making it well-suited for city streets and relaxed highway cruising. Rather than chasing speed, it emphasizes predictable power delivery for a comfortable and secure ride. Maintenance is simple, with widely available parts and service costs that remain lower than those of larger, more complex bikes. For 2026, Royal Enfield prioritized reliability and rideability instead of expensive electronics, keeping costs reasonable without losing charm. The suspension handles road imperfections well, while braking performance inspires confidence on daily commutes and longer trips. The bike's simple construction helps keep ownership costs low while preserving the classic bobber feel many riders love. Overall, the Shotgun 650 blends timeless styling, manageable performance, and wallet-friendly pricing. Number 3. Yamaha 5-Star 250. The Yamaha 5-Star 250 continues in 2026 as one of the most accessible and budget-friendly bobber motorcycles available. Its lightweight build, compact dimensions, and minimalist design make it a great choice for beginners or riders seeking an easygoing city cruiser. Priced just under $5,000, it remains one of the most affordable options in the US, delivering bobber-inspired style without stretching finances. The low seat and classic lines give it a timeless look that suits short daily rides and relaxed weekend outings alike. Power is supplied by a 249 ccs V-twin engine focused on smooth, predictable output rather than outright speed. It offers enough torque for confidence in traffic while staying fuel efficient, keeping running costs down. The engine's reliability and straightforward maintenance reduce repair expenses and shop visits. Its light chassis also makes maneuvering and parking effortless, adding to its practicality. For 2026, Yamaha made small but meaningful updates to suspension and braking to improve handling and safety. Ergonomics are designed for comfort, allowing longer rides without strain while maintaining a nimble feel. With fewer electronics to manage, ownership remains simple and cost-effective. Overall, the 5-Star 250 proves that a stylish bobber doesn't require a large budget. Number 2. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S stands out in 2026 as a cost-conscious bobber-style motorcycle that balances comfort and practicality. Its low-slung frame, clean design, and adjustable riding position make it accessible to many riders. Starting at around $6,200, it offers strong value in the US market, delivering cruiser style without a high price tag. A 649 ccs parallel twin engine powers the Vulcan S, tuned for smooth and manageable performance. It provides enough torque for city use and light highway riding while remaining fuel efficient to keep operating costs low. Maintenance is straightforward, and Kawasaki's reputation for reliability helps avoid unexpected expenses. For 2026, the focus stayed on refining ride quality rather than adding costly electronics. Suspension and brakes are set up for comfort and control, making daily rides and weekend cruises enjoyable. The bike's simplicity also translates to easier long-term ownership, with fewer repairs and lower insurance costs compared to heavier, more complex machines. Overall, the Vulcan S delivers an authentic bobber experience at a sensible price. Number 1. CF Moto 450 CLC. In 2026, the CF Moto 450 CLC appears as a surprisingly affordable bobber-style option for US riders who want standout looks without overspending. With pricing around $5,500, it competes well against established brands, offering a modern interpretation of the classic bobber aesthetic. The 449cc parallel twin engine is tuned for smooth, consistent torque rather than peak horsepower. Performance is well suited to city riding and occasional highway trips, while good fuel efficiency helps keep costs down. Routine maintenance is simple, reducing the likelihood of expensive service visits. For 2026, CF Moto emphasized reliability and affordability, steering clear of unnecessary electronics that could raise the price. Its straightforward design keeps ownership stress-free, making it a practical choice for budget-minded riders who still want style. Overall, the 450 CLC shows that an affordable bobber can still deliver strong visual appeal and solid performance. With that, we've reached the end of today's video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content.